Making a soft, fluffy omelette is also a trick. Sometimes I have seen that omelets are not very fluffy, they are kind of chewy. So let us find out what are the tricks to make a fluffy, soft omelette. So, I have taken actually two egg whites and one egg yellow in this cup, and then just I'm making basic omelette. You can then add whatever you want into this omelette, but this is just tomato, chili, onion, cilantro, salt, and little bit of milk. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. So first of all, basically, you know, making the omelette fluffy is how much air goes inside the egg. So I will highly advise you to use a hand blender, or the blender like for mixing, so that the air goes inside the egg white. So here I'm going to mix it nicely. Once I mix it, I am going to add all the ingredients into this mixture. So I'm adding sauteed onions. I always keep sauteed onions. That saves me time. And then I am adding chilies to your taste. Tomatoes, very finely cut. I am going to add the milk, and then I am going to add a little bit of salt for taste, whatever taste you like. Omelette becomes very salty very fast, so be careful. You don't want to put too much salt. And then for garnishing, we'll use the cilantro later. So after this, I'm just going to mix it with this to make sure that salt goes everywhere. And then main thing is I'm making it on ghee, but avocado oil, coconut oil, these are the very nice things to make omelette. Avocado oil omelette tastes very good. Coconut oil omelette also tastes very yummy. Of course, you can make it on butter, ghee, that's very common. So I have started the stove on high, but very quickly as my pan gets warmer, I am going to make it to medium. So the trick is, you do not want the pan to be too hot when you are making omelette. You have to keep medium to low temperature, otherwise the omelette becomes it cooks quickly and then it becomes chewy. So, and the milk helps to keep the omelette soft. So I'm pouring it. Now I'm making it on medium heat, and then I'm covering it. So the main trick is to have the temperature low. Omelette, if you want soft omelette, it should be on lower temperature. And another main thing is you have to blend it properly. If you just do 4 or 5 times, whip it with a fork, it's not going to be that fluffy. So we are going to wait for a minute. This kind of omelette, actually, even if you are making just sunny side up, always keep the temperature on very low side, because as I said, that omelette basically becomes hard if it is cooked on high heat. You can put in this omelette, you can put basically broccoli, you can add cheese if you want cheese omelette. So there are so many varieties of omelette. This I am kind of doing in Indian style, in the sense that I have added green chilies. You can also add capsicum, the multicolor different kind of capsicum chilies, but you have to cut them very fine, otherwise they will remain not cooked. Otherwise you can cook them separately and then put in your omelette. So we are going to check. It's not done yet, but see, it's very soft, and that's what the texture you want. It should be very soft. I am going to keep the same temperature and wait for a little bit more time. These days people don't like to eat bread that much, so you can have like sauteed boiled broccoli with this, or you can have boiled and toasted potatoes with it, and then that becomes a very sumptuous breakfast. So it starts kind of getting drier on the top. So when you make the omelette soft, there is a possibility that it might break, but I would rather have a broken omelette than an omelette that is not soft. So that's the trade away you basically take. And if you want, you can add a little bit more ghee. I have added very little ghee onto the pan. So it's still not done on the top, so we have to wait a little bit. It helps if you basically put a lid, because then the steam kind of gets generated and the omelette becomes cooks faster, and also less chances of breaking the omelette. Okay, so now you see I am basically going around making sure it should not be stuck to the bottom, but now it's big and fluffy, and 1 2 3. Now you look at the color of the omelette. It's golden, kind of golden brownish, and then again you put the lid. Now I am actually making it a little bit less heat, and another basically few 30 seconds or so, and then I'm adding my cilantro on the top to garnish. And the omelette is done. So you can basically take it out in your container. As I said, if it is soft, it might break, but I would rather have a broken omelette than having a chewy omelette. So there you go. This is a nice fluffy omelette. It's only 1.5 eggs, and look at the size and the color. I hope you like this method. Okay, bye.